Good morning again. This is Ralph with a follow-up video. Yesterday I did a rather extended video on how you can find virtually unlimited background pictures to use with your Power Lead System sales funnels. What I thought I'd do is today I would, just for fun, I would go ahead and do a lead capture page for a Chinese restaurant, just to show you how versatile, this can be. So let's go to websites. We'll find copy web pages. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to grab the first one that comes up. Maybe the third one that comes up. How about the fourth one? The fourth one that comes up here. We're going to use PLS lead capture page number 4. And let's see, this one gives us some options. We can choose it with name and email only. How about, since a Chinese restaurant is going to be a local business, let's do this lead capture page with name, email, and phone number. So I'm going to click right there where I want it, and then we're going to go all the way down to the bottom. And we're going to find that little green button that says make me a copy. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a name. Let's just call it Chinese. And welcome. And that's all we need there. And then we're going to save changes, move on to the next step. Now, what we have here, this is a real generic picture. Looks like kind of a nice sky scene. Doesn't really say, come eat at Wong's Chinese restaurant, does it? So we need something better than that. So let's go to, excuse me, edit text. And there we're going to find, okay, first of all, we don't need this. New 100% commission, blah, blah, blah. We're changing lives. What we're going to do is delete all that stuff. And we're going to have something, let's just make up a name. This is not a real restaurant. It's, maybe a restaurant in your area. I have nothing to do with this restaurant. I'm just going to use this as an example. Master Wong's Chinese. And I don't know how to spell restaurant right now. We're just going to leave it there. Chinese buffet. Hey, that's even better. And let's put in dine-in. Carry out. Or, and let's just do that on another line. Dine in, carry out, or delivery. And that's why we want their phone number, because if they want to have food delivered, we'll have their phone number there. So this is just kind of a for fun lead capture page that we're using just to show what you can do with this system. Now, what we're going to do, let's go ahead now. What we need now is to see how to change this picture out, because, we don't want a generic background for a Chinese restaurant. We need something showing Chinese food. So what I'm going to do here is click source code, like we did yesterday. Click source, and that gives me all the coding. Now, I can already find the code that we need to replace. After you've done this a few times, you learn how to spot this stuff. But let's say, okay, that you don't know where it is. That's very simple. All you do is click Control F, and up in this field that just opened up, type in the letters J, P, G, and then that highlights the code. It takes you right to the proper code, and it highlights that JPG. That's your image part of the code. So what we need to do, we're going to highlight that. Oh, excuse me there. We need to get from the H to the JPG and not getting in those quotation marks. So now we need to find a picture we're going to replace that other picture with. So I've already got Pixabay up here, and here Pixabay, I'm using the search phrase Chinese food, and let's find something here that looks good. Chinese food, hey, ribs, what looks good here? Sushi? This looks kind of nice. This is a full table showing all the food. Let's pick this one out. Thanksgiving Chinese. And okay, we have that picture. Now, in order to get the code, I'm going to right-click on the picture, and then on this menu that just opened up, I'm going to click on Copy Image Address. And then we're going to go back to our coding that we need to replace. Going to right-click on that highlighted area, click Paste, and that swaps out the code. Now, we should have done it right. Let's click Save. Take a look at what we got. View web page. And let's see what we got here. And there we go. Master Wong's Chinese Buffet. Dine-in, carry-out, or delivery. And, of course, you can add anything else you want to up here. And you can totally change out that picture, too. So, yeah, we did that in 7 minutes. So this is just another little illustration about how you can take your own niche business, you know, where the PowerLead system doesn't have a wide variety of photos. They've got like the generic background images that will work for a lot of different businesses. But if you want to find photos, background pictures that are more specific to your niche market, you can use Pixabay. It is a free website to use, and just grab whatever picture you want. They've got all kinds of background pictures, and it's extremely easy to use. So that's today's video. Hope you like it. If you are a member of PowerLead system, you know, feel free to try this out. If you would be interested in checking out the PowerLead system, you can get a 7-day free trial just by clicking the link below in this program description. And if at the end of 7 days you don't like it, you don't have to keep it. And if you do like it, well then, welcome aboard. So this is Ralph signing out. Hope you found some value in this video. And until we meet again, you all take care and best of luck in your business, whatever it may be.